It's the tallest cross in Asia. It's 92 meters, so it's almost same as the height of Statue of Liberty in New York. So we see this is the Nagbiag na bato. It's the masterpiece also of Professor Napoleon Abueva. It's our national artist. They call it the war depiction from First World War to Second World War. So we can see all this statue, Rizal, our national hero. So it's written here, Nagbiag na bato means a buhay na bato. This cross is aligned also to the monument of Rizal Park in Luneta. So the flagpole of Mount Samat, and this cross is aligned to the Dr. Jose Rizal in Luneta Park. Sana yun po malaman ng mga bata, yun talaga to sinisignifies ng malaking cross na to. Ito is to immortalize the agony and glory of the Filipino soldiers and American against the aggression. Sa Tagalog, mas maganda siguro para maintindihan ng mga bata na pag-alala sa katapangan ng mga magigiting nating mga Pilipino at Amerikano laban sa mga Hapon.